All right. Where are you at, Saoirse? Come here. You want to come up here? Here, let's go ahead. Put that there. There she is. All right. Gonna start planting some of my seeds. I got a bunch of pepper seeds, really spicy seeds, and I need to get them started because the hotter seeds seem to take longer to actually germinate. Can you say germinate? A what? Dirt? Oh yeah, there is some dirt. We're gonna put that out. This is just some seed starting mix. And I'm just gonna dump it. Normally don't do this inside the house, baby. But this little mat's cool because it keeps everything kind of more contained. Except if I knock it completely up here, it won't. Alright. Let's just put that over there for now. Alright, you wanna help? Just push it around. Yeah, there you go. We'll fill this up. Can you move them all the dirt into different holes? Get it all. It doesn't matter if it goes off at all, baby. That's the fun thing about this. It actually keeps it pretty clean. Except when you put the seeds right here, like I just did. Put them over there. Because now I can just scoop it up and put it back in. You want to continue? Push it around. Yeah. Don't be afraid to get dirty. Get that seed starting mix in. There you go. Now can you press it down a little? Want to make it where it's not a ton of air gaps in the seed starting mix. Because if it is, the water won't. What? It does?
Yeah.
If there's a bunch of air gaps, things don't like growing through air gaps all that much. Small ones are fine, but how big some of these would have been. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Oops, you're getting dirt out. Oh no! How did you do that? Alright. There we go. Now, that's pretty much done. Probably gonna get just a little bit of water in this. I feel some moisture. All I'm gonna do is water. I'd rather water it before I put the seeds in. It also helps kind of settle everything down. And I didn't get any there?
Yeah.
It settles down everything, and since it's pretty dry, it's pretty hydrophobic until it soaks in some water. You can see it just floating there. If I did this after I put the seeds in, the seeds are liable to wash over to the next little cell, and then I don't know what I planted in that unless I do each one the same in each one of these little individual cells. I'll pull one of them up in a second to show that they're actually just, I believe it's a 12 little cell planter, but there's 6 of them, so 72 I believe. I'm not a mathematical genius or anything.
I got it.
You got it? Whee! That'll soak in after a little bit.
Okay.
Good, it's gone. You want to squish?
Yeah.
Squish? Woo, look at that, good job. Now all it needs to do is soak in. Arm wrestle? Alright, ready? Yeah. Oh, this is how I set it up. I'm going to be planting probably one seed in each one because I don't have that many seeds. Chocolate. T-Rex chocolate. It's just the color of the pepper. It's still hot and it doesn't taste like chocolate.
Oh, doggy.
Yeah, chocolate.
Oh.
Do you love chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do. Now that it's ready to go, we're gonna plant. You're right here. All right, so the first one is gonna be called Ghostly Jalapeno. Let's put this in. I'm probably gonna do these seeds because they're very, very spicy peppers.
Yeah.
And you don't want to get burned.
Yeah.
Okay. But I want you to hang out.
Okay.
That's the last one of those. I got these from Texas. Is it? TexasHotPeppers.net.
Oh, God. Party?
Say what? No, I'm just gonna go ahead and put in two per these cells. There we go. And if I want to, I can separate these later.
Gummy.
Peppers actually deal with it pretty well. Chocolate, ghost pepper, Bocala or whatever. Yeah, that's the way to do this. Hopefully these tags stay good. Always lose track of what things are.
No.
Yeah, I do. Come on. And I actually gotta get many of these still. Alright, let's put these out. One in that corner, one in that corner. Hey, Pepe. Give more of a chance to be able to bring them apart, or break them apart. Thor's Thunderbolt. Is that what it makes you do if you eat them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Spicy? You eat spicy? You started eating some spice, which is crazy.
I like it.
Yeah, you like spicy?
Yeah.
Not too spicy though, okay?
No.
Gotta build up to it. I would say you want to be a little older. These are, yeah, this is pepper. They're pepper seeds.
I did.
Yeah, they're seeds. When they get enough moisture and heat and everything, they sprout. And you'll see little root come out. And when that little root comes out, it digs into the dirt.
Okay.
And then it sprouts leaves, and then you'll see it start growing up. We'll keep an eye on them, okay?
Okay.
Alright, this one is Hurtberry Dark. One of my friends is actually starting to grow these. Some of them, I can't remember which ones he said that actually sprouted, but I gave him a few seeds and he sprouted them. It's really cool.
I'm going. Hi. Alright.
It's fun watching people that haven't grown before, or much at least, start growing. Ah! It's fun watching the excitement on people's faces. I still get that way. All right, well that's all the seeds that we have labels made for. Was that fun? Thanks for your help. Ow! Love you. Say thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, like and subscribe. All I'm going to do is fill these rest way out with all my pepper types, but there's no reason to watch it over and over and over again. Yeah, have a good one. Subscribe, right? Should they subscribe? Yeah, thank you. All right, Have a good one. Bye.